So let's do this problem. A man is known to speak the truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a dice and reports that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually a 6. So you have to understand that what is given over here. You could see that he throws a dice and reports that it is a 6. So that's something which has already happened. So that is given. So that is A. Let's take it as A. Reports it is a 6. Now what has been asked? Find the probability. You're supposed to find the probability that it is actually a 6. So let me take as E1, actually a 6, and the other case would be not a 6. Because I've taken E1 as getting a 6. So otherwise it's going to be not a 6. That's E2. So now it's given that A has happened and you're supposed to find the probability of E1. So E1 given A has occurred. So using the Bayes theorem, we know that the formula is going to be P of E1 into P of A given that E1 occurred over P of E1 into probability of A given that E1 occurred plus probability of E2 into probability of A given that E2 occurred. Now probability of E1. So getting actually a 6. So we know that it's a dice being tossed once. So the sample space is going to be numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now probability of getting 6 over here, getting a 6 is there's only one outcome. So 1 out of 6. So it's going to be 1 over 6 times. Given that E1 happened, probability of getting A. That is, given that it's actually a 6. Given that it's actually a 6, and then he reports that it is 6. So basically, he's telling a truth over there. So the truth, the probability is given as 3 out of 4 times. So 3 out of 4 over 1 over 6 times 3 by 4, because the same term has been repeated, plus probability of E2. E2 is not a 6. So not a 6. We know that all these numbers are not a 6, 1 to 5. So there is 5 favorable outcome out of the total outcome 6 into. Now given that E2 occurred, probability of A, that is given that E2 occurred, that is given that it's not a 6 and he reports that it is a 6. So it's not a 6 and then he reports that it's a 6 means he's telling a lie. Okay, the probability of truth is given as 3 out of 4. So the probability of lie would be 1 out of 4 because the probability of truth plus probability of telling a lie, sum would be equal to 1. So that's how I got 1 over 4. So you could see that I have the same denominator, 6 into 4 everywhere. That is 24. So I can multiply with 24, which makes my calculation much more simpler. So you get 1 into 3, 3 over 3 plus 5. That's going to be 3 over 8. That's the answer. I hope it's clear to you.